What's up everyone? Welcome back to our Renjet's Kitchen. So today I will introduce myself first. So my name is Muhammad Nadzmi.
My name is Farhan.
So today we are going to cook a dish from Pahang, which is
ikan tumis cair.
alright. So this is our ingredients for the ikan tumis cair. We have shallots, garlic, lemongrass, some bird's eye chili, some okra, and asam keping. And don't forget, we are going to use
Chili paste and the main ingredient
sibas. So, stay tuned for our cooking.
Oh my days.
Oh my days!
We forgot the one of the important ingredient, which is ginger. What's next?
So, we are going to proceed with our next step, which is blending the shallots, garlic, and also a ginger.
Alright. Let's move to the next step.
Hello guys, welcome back to Renjet's Kitchen. So today we are going to proceed with blending our ingredients, which is shallots. Okay, so this is our shallots. I'm gonna put it in the blender. And we're also going to put garlic inside them. We're only using 5 cloves of it. So let's put that. And also the ingredients that we forget about,
Ginger.
yes, we are going to put this in also. So we are going to blend this.
Stay tuned.
And don't forget to add some water into this, okay?
Stay tuned.
Jangan cakap.
Ada ni. Zas! Welcome back to
Renjet's Kitchen.
Okay, first we need to heat the oil. Then what's next?
Then we are going to saute the blended items. Okay?
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's already smoking. So if we put in the blended ingredient, it will explode. Okay?
Zas!
See, I told you. So you have to be careful in the kitchen. So before you start cooking, as always, Bismillah. Okay, so we are going to saute the blended ingredient until the aroma comes up and until they crispy enough a bit. And after that, we are going to add some chili paste. Yes.
Oh. Enough.
So we are going to blend, we are going to saute all of this until the oil splits and it becomes more shiny. So,
Zas!
and we will see you in another part. Okay.
Zas! Welcome back to the
Renjet's Kitchen, bro.
For the next step, we're gonna put the next ingredient, which is lemongrass and asam keping.
And we're also going to put water in here to make it warm. So, Farhan, put some water in.
Enough?
More. Yes. Little bit more, please.
Alright. More.
Yes. Alright, that's enough. Alright. So, wait until it boils, and after it boils, we are going to season it and then we put the sea bass in. That's all.
Yes. Come back to Renjit's kitchen, bro.
So, as you can see, it's already boiling. So we are going to put some seasoning in. So which is I will put in some sugar and also some salt. Maybe a little more sugar because it will be spicy. And maybe a little stir. And then we're going to put the we are going to put a little bit more water. Alright. And after that, we are going to put the sea bass. Alright. So, Bismillah, as usual. Last piece, guys. Put it in. So that's it. And
Yes. Alright guys, we proceed to the next step. As you can see, the tea is boiling, so we're gonna put the okra. Watch out.
okay. So this is the final product of our cooking. So we are going to plate it.
The taste is good, Nadzmi.
Yes, of course the taste is good. It almost kind of similar like asam pedas,
Yes.
but with less sour. Oh my god. The fish are already broken apart. Okay,
Oh
this
my
is-
god.
Alright, and then put some okra and the sauce. Yes.
So I'm gonna put some chili and current leaf.
Yeah. Just like that, we are done with our cooking.
So
Thank you everyone.
see you again.
Yes.
Zas.